ene da ho no Lincoln University joma ma wadress ye dru wawie wadru ye se enya mfa mo ye se yenya mfa award no John ye mfa ma wo me se hwe ho wotu adubone a ebi ka wano adubone no a moto ye mode ma na nado esenka na nado ennom na wonwu no soma hu ese John ene ya serve no e de ama oh sir ene
I was a woman about the bag Ghana and CMTV so Bomb so like video no be subscribe to the channel no turn on notification that next time videos of this channel also submit my case say munyam no de bia no if me Mr. President to for Mr. President and just somehow sa wadaroma na bomb so like video no subscribe to the channel come on my for you by chance you would want to contribute to our studio work sir being it sound internet lights everything but you reach out through number and that's you yes sabe kan e be there was so na
ene da ho no Lincoln University joma ma wadress ye dru wawie wadru ye se enya mfa mo ye se yenya mfa award no John ye mfa ma wo me se hwe ho wotu adubone a ebi ka wano adubone no a moto ye mode ma na nado esenka na nado ennom na wonwu no soma hu ese John ene ya serve no e de ama oh sir ene Sam George nkwase asem na ne wo di wo krom ha aye che se Sam George jimi o ti Mahama munyai ene on se abuabo o kopre de yi ki e be confer yi degree ye be ma honorary degree o kono akoje ene wo ne Lincoln University for say mo anti LGBT bio na masa retro
me say sisi boni bia sisi ma yewa na Addo Dee Nyame no ebi ne betu ye ba jambe mani ma you kromwa ene ye kiru na Addo Dee Nyame morning power boy no dot ma government you has for a caso man award and this whole politicizing the whole issue around it na we who say mo so mutimi koya frefre ni din ahodo ma so mo send tax so mo ko attack presidential convoy over the region na na dem se John de man no hu no hwe me say dako di na wo mo se doctorate as ada no ugina puppet no mba ambasa cancel no mo de ni wa ba bitina fi award bi also beji award bi a also no beji en ko asisem ko e o mani na ewu se chapu o mani guase komo su ebonu musuma yiwa na Addo Dee Nyame ba o mi aba no ene na ebu o mu konso ene o mu na o mu bai o mu nya hu no hwe o mu enya hu no hwe so we nkokochi award no ko ye na no se ndi kanso nti na mapa o cancel ni bibia and o mu said up a cooked information nkokochi award na award nkokochi a na sika na ngase sia Ghana fa fa nwaje we say wuchi a payment denied ye be cancel ye be delay payments and into the moment my award na man we just can't award neka nku asini oba idea na why you call award at the papa pen and why you call award at the papa ben why you gonna call award ni kurum bole kwa den why you ho say the in future cry the fear wa cry in future kwa den why you ho call award nku asefo aban munya hu hwe
and trying propaganda NDC for especially Sammy Jenfini John Jenapo. Eyetia Dr. Baomia for 3 solid years. Kontompon sama nsema enimu a wo mokato na so digbu na enimu asise ni den twen na boso. For 3 solid years about multi-purpose that my yeye opo alugu eno ape. Within 1 minute Nyankopon e dey expose NDC for or dey aguo manimu ase wa NDC for ho ntoma ma wiase nyina hu sem NDC for nye ni papa. NDC for 3 months NDC for ye vidifo. NDC ni betimi akum sunsun akum kra akum ni pedua NDC ni betimi achechira asem ato so a woyi wanu bia enye ye da. That is what they did to Dr. Baomia but eno ape Nyankopon ye omo so ahanhan eno a John Jenapo energy minister call parliament assurance committee anim honorable iditi bisa na say mu opposition na mo say Dr. Baomia na MPP for abopo alogu multi-purpose dam project ni mu kro no ene mu abam mu hwehwe mu akwa akosisen mu evidence wehen John Jenapo ba bibie na no a oso obi a mbokoro no contractor ni ye adwuma na so MPP for antam sika bia ama no meyi video na kire ba before then Tiem kwasya sema Sameje if you more opposition or control Dr. Baumia so that stupid boy. That thief Sameje if from for now. And this is 4-man appointment within 2 months. No assessor bear 180 million Ghana cedis akuku ni CD account. No assessor dollars, millions of dollars akuku ni dollar account. Now a person will change account name no call ni PAD that stupid guy, that corrupt guy, that corrupt no Sameje if corrupt no. Muntie nkwasi asema woka eto Dr. Baumia so. Ensemu a enim krono a wode to Dr. Baumia so ebra no mo opposition. Obra na woni evidence bia. Muntie no mu wi amon
Today, for the benefit of tomorrow, is being wasted, is being stolen by a few select people in office. And that is the story, the sad story of the Pwalugu Dam. It shows how dishonest, hypocritical, duplicitous Alhaji Bawumia is.
Ono Sameje mfino. Eze Dr. Baumia eye krofo. All can say asem we no ni evidence bi wo. But okay. Now, yentie John Jenapo concession will come make you assurance committee na anywhere about this same project, this same issue.
The Pwalugu Dam contractor was paid $11.9 million. Have you, it may not directly have fallen under your ministry in the previous government, but because of the electricity generation component, I believe you have an interest, and so you will have followed it. Have you done audit to see whether the contractor was paid for work done, or that you believe that he bolted away, as you put it?
So far, our preliminary investigation shows that the contractor was not paid for the work done.
So this brief statement, John Jenapo make here, I kill two fundamental propaganda. And this is for normal yet here, Dr. Baumia, any MPP, a brand no opposition. Near the kind. And this is for normal say, for a logo multi-purpose dam, a Jumabia and Cosso. Nane did in a MPP before you did in another Dr. Baumia, a project, no. There is still only on paper. Now, call grounds or now, a Jumabia and Cosso contractor, nine year Jumabia. Near Tosumi. No almost contractor na anya hwe na nso MPP for ya sese sika twitwiri die dia ma no ye ne na ko na ebe abogana kro no nti omo be ti Dr. Baumia omo be ti MPP for agu but then we tie John Jenapo dey di kan o say adwuma ko so pa there was work done contractor na ye adwuma na etosu yenu o say contractor na adwuma o ye nyina akiri MPP kra ama no one cedi mpo MPP ama ne sika bia enti sa am tro no mu twa say Pwalugu Dam no adwuma bia nkoso wo honom contractor na anya adwuma bia na so ya tam sika twitwiri di ama no ene John Jenapo nankasa ba be expose yo mo hey NDC me hwe how Dr. Baumia na niku project we hu na oye say ebetimi aboa the people up north, the northern part of Ghana, to invest a lot of time and energy cracking his brain. Epe omo mo betimi afund the project and almost shasiem. Now along the line, COVID by there was a global economic crisis in TFT. One more funding projects and now if you are more nasi. Now share how Dr. Baumia committee a lot of energy trying to secure other funding to make sure the project never cost. Now NDC if we end touchline a propaganda a chant talk cancer a dinner tamo china boso bono chrono. Chese as if you move and then omenya power. You be so man now no omo kanokore. Amejenfi Onujuma e de baby din no chrono no obo good board. He may think say he's gone scot free, but certain things are in yamba abonte. But I can assure him say very soon he will run. Very soon Samejenfi he will run with his tail behind in between his legs.
Say you can asema obi antine
David.
A juma you believe say Sam George can do for us.
I will believe you.
And nothing you can ask. And I mean believe you say.
I don't know believe you.
He's my minister in charge of communication. I expect him to deliver a certain service.
Okay, who expects it and you will believe it?
I believe
you different.
The expectations are there, and I believe say our capacity to do it,
sir,
to ensure that certain things will be done right.
Why believe
and 2 weeks in the pa, wo fa wo phone na wo fro bia. I mean, we don't have leadership in this country.
Sunday near Katana corner Kati.
Debia. And it's not like, oh, you call on a particular network and
across
all the networks that you in this country.
Baby,
all of them. And in this thing, you are expecting a minister who is in charge of that sector.
Meanwhile, my point is that, Kwame, any single call be a ube place. Me fafons is here and I'm afraid one, I'm afraid for, and I'm afraid TB, and I'm afraid Dr. Prekesa. Even if it's 1 second, me type, me seeker.
Yet too,
Yet call now me person me and hello, Kramin Timinka. Not or two seeker just like that. Right? So for to be now about baby, the telcos are not communicating to us.
They're not telling us anything. And
NCA and carry.
In some way.
Ministry so and carry.
In some way.
NCA, are they immune to questioning?
Because I said they don't.
Nobody is questioning NCA on anything.
I feel saying we can some George Bar TV3 key point. At least Kobe used the opportunity to address that. Because Saturday, we'll back key point. Non networks, no way caller, the clarity is not there.
Now, aside that, got data boy, I said data boy as Akosro. As Akosro.
And to being conscious as a minister, what you call in this country? A say was so cry was so a you cannot stand on the phone with somebody for about 1 minute to 2 minutes. Wabra wunya breakages, unnecessary noise. Very, very unpleasant.
Look at the kind of water. Mensa sa banana no more. Look at the kind of water. Castle Hereford nana no more. Look at the kind of water. Domu and nana no more. In 21st century. 21st century. Fire mamua ye buya. Yenuanomo northness abba be deep positions of power. More. Ironically, when you give them power, instead of them to use it to help their people, omodi yake someone cry. Bekai. Wa bufu mabunfu menuanom notness enya tumi si ya mo tumi se wo di speaker of parliament yo so wo di president yo uchemu yie pa no a wo munya positions of power ya mo akwanya so mo nko mo krom no mo develop a no mo di si dan kase ya rema kase nkran enso me ne wo mienu kase yi ensuo amanfo no nomo ensuo amanfo no enom no ensuo amanfo no enom ne omone na ntwe na enom
and now Sika involved in this scandal, 11 million choppable Ghana cedis. Ghana for taxes on my teacher, Momo, some of my this useless NDC government, a more 11 million Ghana cedis now quacking for Fubutum, na as a film. Now, Quanya Sika, Efa Sukudin Crofubutum, through the usual chronism, conflict of interest. Any the famous create loot and share a characteristic of this useless NDC government. Omo de be omo ba be man, omo be create normal loot, normal share. Omo de ni omo ya ni se won change the oman sika. Omo tana dem no ma cookie niama, no match oman Ghana sika dim. So basically, sa kwan na the old ways and omo use ya 11 million Ghana cedis. Akwa kudin krofo bobotom na characters are involved a oma bo Ghana for krono we oma di Ghana for dream we Sami Jenfi oye gold board CEO ana ni otosu mienu Stan Logbe currently oye deputy chief of staff onu anso na owner of Wezo Group Company sa Wezo Group Company no omo na Wezo TV omo dia. Na we omo use omo subsidiary bi a yefe no Koreka Ghana Limited ana omo di Ghana for dwurem we na ye nsem na se mame nko nsem no into details na etiase baby a efri any baby akwa akoduro na kai se me se epanya asa dream yi efa so by a conflict of interest and create loot and share and chronism. Now mobeka ya na Addo Dankwa Kufuado aban esi a very big edifice Edema Bank of Ghana. So I dine for na won cry. Am cry na ham. It is somewhere 2024 and a Bank of Ghana for free on old building and course I new building. Now NDC bar power how more appointed Sami Jenfi as good board CEO no. And as Sami Jenfi yes almost be free on old building ako Bank of Ghana on old building na o free mu no. Now muntie ni you hana create loot and share no. Sa Bank of Ghana office no mu free mo no. Eye well structured. Building integrity intact. Oma fixing niema won bi chese bibia ye correct woman. Any company ebitimi aye adwuma wo ma wombre. But Sabi Jemfi said, "Uhia 11 million